Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag questions practice, Part 5. Tag question with imperative sentences. One. Kindly do my a favor, will you? 2. Please, friend, help me, will you? 3. Have patience, will you? 4. Have some more tea, will you? 5. Work hard to succeed, will you? 6. Wait here a moment, will you? 7. Close the door, will you? 8. Come in, will you? 9. Never touch live wire, will you? In normal sense, for imperative sentences question tags are will you, can you, could you, would you. Example, never touch live wire, will you? 10. Open the door, won't you? 11. Come in, won't you? 12. Sing a song, won't you? 13. Say something, won't you? 14. Eat some fruits, won't you? 15. Shut up, won't you? In serious sense, for imperative sentence question tags are won't you, can't you, couldn't you, would you? 16. Let us go to party tonight, shall we? 17. Let's have a rest now, shall we? 18. Let's go out for a walk, shall we? Rules. 3 for let us question tag is shall we. 19. Let me do the sum, will you? 20. Let them play here, will you? Rules. 4 for let them, let him, let me question tag is will you? 21. Let them do the work, will you? Like, share and subscribe please. Thanks for watching. Learn with Jahangir Sir.